Yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited dice rolls and money for my Monopoly Go game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step, how I actually got it online free, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work? So you can use your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. So there we will find Monopoly Go. Click there, guys, and then we will have to enter our Monopoly Go user ID or our username. So guys, if you don't know how to find your Monopoly Go user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your Monopoly Go game, go to settings, and copy your user ID by clicking on this number. So let's get back to our tool and let's just paste our user ID. So just click continue, guys, and it will start searching for our user account. So you should get this message, user found. So there we go. Now we will select our desired amount of our dice roll. So I will select this. It's currently the maximum. Click continue, guys, and it will start connecting to the API. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. So yeah, and there we go, guys. API is successfully connected, and now we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get. So there we go, guys. Verification is successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Dice rolls and money are on the way, guys. Our user ID is connected, dice roll sent, and money is sent. I'm so excited to see now our Monopoly Go and to test it. Does it actually work? So let's open together and let's see, will we actually receive all this amount of dice rolls and money? I'll click there. So there we go, guys. It's actually adding our money and our dice rolls. It works amazing, as you can see. Now we can play with all those unlimited dice rolls and money, guys. I'm going to play my Monopoly Go whole day now. I'm so glad that this appsnake.com website actually worked, along trying a lot of websites for getting these free dice rolls and money. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.